Have any of your friends ever posted a photo of themselves in a crowd of coworkers or teammates and then captioned the photo something like this? "Lucky to be a part of this awesome team. Seriously love you guys." Have you ever been confused then about how they could be apart from that team but also right in the middle of it? Well, probably not. But this caption highlights the common confusion between the noun phrase apart and the modifier apart. In this video, we'll be straightening out that confusion. To begin, on the one hand, what our photo captioning friend meant to write was "lucky to be a part of this awesome team." 2 words. "A" is a determiner, and "part" is a noun. This noun phrase is equivalent to saying one part or one piece. So where your friend wants to say they're lucky to be one piece of a larger team, they really want the noun phrase, "a space part." That is, whenever you're dealing with something that is a part of a larger something, you're dealing with a part. In the same way that if you're dealing with one dog in a whole park, you would write "a dog," not "a dog." One word apart, on the other hand, is a modifier. It adds information to other words, and it adds a sense of separation or distance. So you can take a radio apart to see how it works, and then even note that the antenna is a part of the radio. You can stand apart from a crowd by taking a few steps back. You could comment that Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day are a little over a month apart. Or because of ticketing issues, you could be seated 3 rows apart from your family on an airplane. In every case, one word apart communicates separation. Things that are apart are not together. So it's very strange to caption a team photo with one word apart. The picture shows togetherness, while the word communicates separation. So keep this usage rule in mind. If you're literally talking about someone or something that fits within a larger organization or object, use 2-word apart because it is the noun phrase that means one part. But if you're looking for a modifier that will denote separation between 2 things or people, then go ahead and reach for apart, because after all, that's the job it was built to do.